Hi there, this is Eva from EnglishWithEva.com, and now we're going to have conversation together. If you don't know how to work with this course, just go to my webpage and follow the instructions. So 3,000 words, lesson 4, conversation. Is your boss a pleasant person? What can be made of metal? When was it the last time you skied? What is the most important thing for you? What does a nurse do? Do you sort your garbage? What does a perfect partner look like? Rice or potatoes? What's the condition of your car? Can you mention 4 famous actors or actresses? And now you create questions from following words. Expensive, deposit, understand, receive, debt. Now take a piece of paper and a pencil and write down the dictation. As you walk through the grocery store, you'll come across a few basic sections where you can buy your favorite foods. I wonder where you can buy asparagus or cottage cheese. And now go to EnglishWithEva.com, follow the instructions, and do the listening. Thank you. Bye-bye.